So this is my realistic MG-1 by Moog, and it makes a lot of cool sounds. So I'm going to show you what the sounds look like while you could listen on my oscilloscope. It's kind of old school, but I don't know. I'll get the job done for what we need. So first off, let's do a single oscillator triangle wave at the 0 octave. And you can see the frequency increasing as the keyboard, as I go up the keyboard. Alright, and then square wave. Next octave, an octave below, an octave lower. Alright, next we'll add in the other oscillator. They're both going to be sawtooth waves at first, so this is what it looks like. Tune the second oscillator. Alright, let's do one square wave, oscillator 1 square wave, oscillator 2 triangle or sawtooth. Next, let's detune oscillator 2 a little. Alright, next let's sync up the two oscillators with the hard sync function. That looks kind of cool. Next, let's go back to one oscillator and try the keyboard tracking. So the keyboard tracking, the filter is going to be a little closed on this end, and as it goes on, it's going to open up towards the end. So right now, it's the filtered square wave. This is the square wave. This is the filtered square wave. It turns into a sine wave, and let's see the tracking. Filter was not open enough. Okay, let's try it again. So as it goes on, the wave gets more jagged. Let's try next the peak emphasis, which is like the envelope, I guess. Not the envelope. The Q. And this filter self-oscillates. That's what the self-oscillation looks like. Alright, back to our square wave. Let's try the filtered LFO. Square wave LFO. Let's do a triangle LFO. Let's try the tone source LFO. random. Alright. Let's try it. This is the ring mod. And if I hard sync it, it's kind of cool. Alright, this is just the noise. It looks like noise. Polyphony. Alright, let's try the polyphony with a single oscillator. Both oscillators with the polyphony. It's actually 3 oscillators. Alright, let's try the contour now, which is like the envelope for the filter. So it does what it should. That's about all I have to show you with the oscilloscope.